Hi, this is an example of a recent project that we completed successfully. What we're doing in this project is the client has some details on his spreadsheet and he wanted to show this spreadsheet to his clients. But then the problem with sharing the spreadsheet with the client is that it does not display the way he wants. So what we did was we created a custom HTML page based out of the data in this spreadsheet, and we made everything dynamic. So all the colors and the settings are coming from this spreadsheet. So for example, this column, I'm just going to do like center alignment. And if I do that and I come over here and I refresh this page, then see the thing was automatically center aligned. Also, you can see that general score is not bold, but key positive differentiators is bold. So all that is coming from here. The color, the background color is also coming from here. Over here, you can see that some elements are bold, other are not bold. So all these things are coming from here. In addition to that, the client wanted like a language filter. So what we did was we specified the language over here. So this is English, this is Spanish. So if I select English, only the English ones are shown. Only the columns with English written over here is shown. And if I do like Spanish, then it will, fetch the data according to the sheet. So it will only fetch the Spanish rows. So whatever is written in Spanish, it will fetch that. So I've done Spanish and it now fetches the Spanish data. And also all these colors like the background color, the bold, the formatting, etc. is coming from the spreadsheet. And even the width, the say for example, the projects has the following width right now, right? Let me switch it back to English just to kind of compare. So okay, so this is projects, and you can see that is the width right now, right? And I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to decrease the width of this column. And if I come back over here and I refresh, then you can see that this column is also reduced. So we are not only reading the formatting, the colors and everything from the spreadsheet, we are also able to read the column width and like the height, everything from the spreadsheet. And we're displaying it in a user-friendly interface. Now the benefit of displaying it in this interface is that the client is going to embed this page on his website, and his customers can view real-time data from the Google spreadsheet onto the website. So I hope you like this project. Please let me know what you think about this. If you need a similar kind of project where you want to display your spreadsheet in a nice HTML format, we can customize the HTML format. Like this particular format was what the client requested. But if you want to display the data in another certain way, you can just get in touch with me and I will help you implement a browser-based HTML front end for your Google spreadsheet. For that matter, I can read the data from any other element. If your data is not in Google spreadsheet, if it is in Firebase, I can read from there. If it is in Google Slides or Google Drive or in different documents, my script can read the data from any Google Workspace element and create a HTML front end using that data. Cheers.